I drove almost 2 hours to get up here to Ocean Shores because their transmission quit working, and I took my handy dandy snap-on tester and we pulled the shift controller or the fuse. Let's go ahead and lock her up. We're going to pull your cables up. We'll get you parked, okay?
It doesn't back up.
Oh, do you need to back up?
Yeah, we have to back into there. It doesn't go into reverse.
It won't go in reverse? Let me test it again. Probably blew another fuse. But you've had problems going in reverse, right?
Reverse it. We got here and everything got here.
But you've had problems going in reverse, right? Yeah, you got no reverse, but you got drive now. You didn't have that before. All the fuses are good, but no reverse. Well, this stage of the game, we can still swing out of here. Is there any place that they could park where they don't have to back up?
Only the pull-throughs.
Do you have a pull-through?
Yeah.
Can you save their bacon and put them in a pull-through?
Sure.
Let's do that. We're gonna put you in a pull-through, and I'll show him which one of these he knows which two I replaced. So and then once you get it drive, before you leave, how long are you staying?
Well, we're gonna leave early, I would think.
Well, I would
so
say start making phone calls, tell them what you got,
Yep.
and let's go ahead and get her all buttoned up here. Now remember, I was gonna say now when you got more 10-amp fuses, and remember it's these two right here that I replaced.
Okay.
You need to buy yourself a cheap tester
I've
too.
got one back.
Oh, do you?
I tested two back there. But
Well, with I'll put all my tools away. Well, we couldn't get reverse working. We couldn't get them reverse. That didn't pan out. They blew two fuses, both of them in shift control. But he said he's been having trouble with the going into reverse, so he has some ongoing issues with that. Hopefully that will at least give you all the camp manager here says he's got a drive-through spot, so we'll swing him down way wide. I'll stay here and make sure he gets in there. If I have to, I can always pull him back a little bit. Yeah, that'll get him going. Well, he's moving. He's got drive, but no reverse. But he's been fighting it in reverse, he said, for quite some time. He says if we can't get him into a spot, he says he will at least put in some place where we can hook a cord to it and get him through till Monday. Well, at least the camp manager is being a really nice guy. He's not upset. He's just trying to help these people out, which is pretty darn nice of him. I don't know if we're gonna make that corner or not. That's gonna be a tough one. If he can make that corner or not, that's an awful tight corner. No way. I don't think he can make that corner. No way. My God, is he gonna make it? Huh? He did. I'll be darned. Cuts the corner better than I think my truck would. I think I have to take two shots at it to make that corner. Maybe. 89 miles, a $4 tester and 2 fuses, and he's on the road again. You can't beat that. Nice people. They just had a bad shot there, and it blew that fuse out. No idea why, but he's I showed him what to replace the fuse if he has a problem. He's gonna try and get it to a Freightliner dealer tomorrow when he can find one. I'm heading back home. 89 miles home, take me about an hour and 45 minutes, so I'll get home just in time to have dinner.